So in this video, I'm going to show you how to interpret the disciplinary reports that I'm asking you to research for your districts. So the link that I provided should have brought you to this page here. So in this search button, we're going to type in Louisville just for demonstration purposes and click Next. Now it brings you to the secondary page because some districts have multiple names, like Austin is Austin ISD, but it's also Austin Charter, and so they want to make sure that they know which one you're talking about. We'll click Next. And what that's going to pull up is this nice little report here. I'm going to see if I can make that a little bit bigger for you guys. And what we're looking for when we interpret these is disproportionate numbers of students getting certain types of disciplinary actions. So first off, let's talk about this part up here. So ISS, in-school suspension, OSS, out-of-school suspension, alternative education, which is about disciplinary alternative, so usually with the district. This is juvenile detention or juvenile justice alternative education program, and then expulsion. So what we're looking at here is, first, it gives you the nice number of students that are in each of these categories. So what we're looking for is, do we see a disproportionate number of students receiving a certain type of disciplinary action in these certain areas? So let's look at, let's just say male to female, since that's almost 50-50. What we should see is proportionate numbers across disciplinary actions, but what we see is we have a lot more males receiving disciplinary actions than females. And so we see that there are 7,000 ISS actions compared to 2,600 actions. Students, that means 3,000 students received those 7,000 actions. So that's kind of an interesting thing too. So it looks like we have some repeat offenders in ISS. So what we should see is something similar, but we know based on our research that males have a tendency to get in more disciplinary actions than females. What I'm having y'all look at specifically is race. So if we come up here, we should still see proportionate numbers. So for example, we have 16,000 Hispanic and Latinos, we have 7,000 Asians, 6,000 African American, and 22,000 white. What we should see, since let's say Latino and white is similar, not terribly close, but similar, but still, white students are receiving less disciplinary action in ISS than Hispanic and Latino. Again, what we look for is we're trying to see whether these numbers are proportionate. If we're seeing these way skewed numbers, that means one group is getting disproportionately more disciplinary actions than another. Why that is, I don't know. We'd have to do a little bit more digging, a little bit more research to see why these particular students are getting more disciplinary actions than another. But that's some evidence that you could support some of Kozel's findings and what he saw as far as disproportionate disciplinary actions. So I hope that helps with interpreting some of these charts for you.